Health workers who spoke to Citi News off-camera maintained that only polyclinics and hospitals are entitled to ambulance services. They described the situation as unfortunate because people in remote areas rather need such services the most due to their plight. It is common knowledge how some pregnant women and very ill persons in the hinterlands lose their lives due to the lack of access routes and emergency services such as the ambulance service. Some residents in such areas as Atonkwa, in Tranwa, among other communities in the Commander Edina Egwafo Abre municipality, have been speaking to Citi News about the ordeal.
Binisana, ucho aroko hospital pa. About now, about shaka lunya carda, chow ye, or natu ukudri, or about the mara. Na ibi ya snolly ya, chow off a dropping. No, why no 2 ababa farmer or now baby kuno or no loquan or about the same thing until your one and your brother papa.
No panning yeninti. All my clinic obiara or baby biarano, no oko. Obia baby biano oko. Yanuquani say pinfu bimpo or bo a netam sunol boa. Or there, yasha car. Ye dame cacao shakar near the ma pinfunuma. Wadeno kwa central ana teterim ana vasti inti ye pawani chaw ye besra de won mo hwehen no won hwe ye kwani ma hen no won hwe ye clinic ma hen aha ye nya ambulance bia wa ha ye nyi enkrofo a wobtena ha wo hwe ayelufu bia wa ha inti ye besre won ma ye nurses na doctor krumpo omope ha na won fa ambulance kru bi mfamesi ye ha na yenso
Health workers at the Adisadel Health Center in Cape Coast tell Citi News they have to resort to the services of commercial vehicles during emergency situations. They have, however, called on the government and benevolent organizations to come to the aid of the facility to ensure quality healthcare delivery. Government recently distributed a number of ambulances across the country to boost emergency healthcare delivery, but a visit by Citi News to health facilities such as CHPS compounds and health centers in parts of KEEA municipality and Cape Coast metropolis saw no such service with the exception of hospitals and polyclinics. Samuel Owusu-Boabing is the assemblyman for Intranwa electoral area.
Looking at the nature of the road and the CHPS compound, assuming if a woman who is pregnant visits the police and there's an emergency, the other alternative is to call an ambulance. By looking at the nature of the road, the delay of the ambulance to the place could even cause a harm. And there's a popular saying, prevention is better than cure. So I will entreat the government, whoever will win in the upcoming election, to ensure that the road is fixed. So in case, if there's any other thing that the need be, the ambulance will come. Then the ambulance will have a smooth road to travel on. And the patients will also have a smooth road to travel on to avoid any unforeseen circumstances.
Meanwhile, health and ambulance service authorities in the region were reluctant to speak to the issue as countless efforts by Citi News to get them talk proved futile.